Hello, this is Sausage Fingers and welcome to an unboxing video. Right, I did a HTC Vive unboxing not long ago and a company called Bestorks Technology saw my video, got in contact with me and said, "Ooh, we do VR gear, can you review this for me?" So, if you want to see the gear that they've got, and oh my god, they have got tons of awesome gear. The website, I'll put it in the description now, www.bestorks.com. They've got some epic gear, not just VR gear. Even if you don't even like VR, just go and have a look. They got some awesome stuff. Cool gift type stuff as well. Anyway, right, I want to get this open. Here we go. God. What the hell is that? Okay. I don't even know what that is. Oh, they've sent me extra goodies here. I'll get it all out of the box first. And then we can get rid of the box. Instructions. I'm intrigued. I don't know what this is. I don't know what it is. I'll have a look in a minute. Ah, this is the bit we're after. This is the bit. I've got to get it all out though. Whoa, more extra stuff as well. I'm not touching them yet. Another one. My mind boggles. Oh, and I got a money off coupon. It's got a code on it. That's why I've got my thumb across it. Up to $10 off. Yeah, baby. If you're in a different country, I'm in the UK, you can change the website to pounds, dollars or whatever. Yeah, Bestorks. Or Bestor X. Right. I'm hiding that. Okay, now I can get rid of this box. That's empty. Right, this is what I was sent to review. And this is what I want to look at first. Okay, I've got to unbag this because I'm intrigued as to what this is. Look! Grips. This wasn't part of the bargain. But I'm very, very glad you've sent them to me. Epic. I'm going to try all these out in a minute. Right, the first thing we want to have a look at, and the main part of the focus is this here. Now, a brief description, what this is, a magnetic charging dock for HTC Vive controllers with a foldable hanger for the head unit, and the foldable hanger is on the bottom. This feels really nice. It's plastic, but it feels like really nice material. The reviews on this are absolutely outstanding as well. This is proper good gear, this. That's the back. Obviously, I presume they're wall screw mounts. There are a couple of ways you can actually mount this, and you don't have to screw holes in your walls to do it. Now, I will put that there. That is obviously one way of mounting it. I think, looking in this bag, I've got a couple of bits to do before I can actually set this up. So I'm going to get this open. I'm quite excited about this. This is really good quality gear. I don't know why. I wasn't expecting it to be this high quality. I don't know why. Ah, that's what I'm after. Right. I was looking in here and I was thinking that is not the same fitting as my HTC Vive controllers. You can see in the bottom there. But here we have the fit. We got a spare as well. Sweet. And they are exactly what they say on the tin. They're magnetic as well. Again, really quality gear. What's we got in here? Like little sticky pads. Right, they've sent this. This is another way to mount this. if I don't want to drill holes in my wall, which I don't, I'm going to do another video. I'm going to do a setup video on this at a later date. Basically, these are broken into segments. So you can take parts of these off. These are like super strong as well. This 3M is known for its rigidity, its strength basically. Take one of them, take one of them off, stick it on there. Take one of them off, stick it on there. And hang him on the wall. Now they have guaranteed with this, that hangs up. Your chargers, your controllers will plug in here. The actual headpiece will hang off the bottom. Yeah, how does that hang? Alright, that answers that question. Right, I'm back. I have had to go away and have a little look. There are video descriptions on how to set all this stuff up as well. So basically, this fits onto the back of your HTC Vive. It just literally, it's Velcro. It just goes around the back and straps on. And there you go, that's on there. That's proper solid as well, because the Vive's quite heavy. Also, what they sell on this website is the battery component for the headset, so that you can play this wireless. You can actually get rid of the cable, so you can... It's like the battery and the receiver unit or the sender unit, so you can use the HTC Vive headset absolutely wireless. Now, this has the strength to hang up on the bottom with that battery component and the headset still attached. In fact, God blimey. Yeah, that's really strong. Happy days. Right, I'm going to get these little bits put on here. These little fidgety bits. Wow. Did you see that? I thought that'd be hard to set up. Right, I'm going about this the wrong way. I'm being a lunatic, right? What you do, right, here's my controller, my Vive controller. Pop this in here. This is a little bit fidgety, but I can leave them in once they're in. Look, see that's in the bottom there? And it only goes in one way, so you can't like ruin it. And then this thing, I don't know if it works both ways. Oh, just pops in. Yeah, only goes in one way. Sweet. And that's in. I was thinking to myself a minute ago, how do we actually plug this thing in? But with your controllers, obviously if you've got the HTC Vive, I'm presuming you have, if you bought this piece of equipment, then you have already got the charging plugs for the Vive itself. I've just plugged one in the wall. I'm going to plug this little bad boy in. There we go. We've got lights and everything. Okay. I don't know what state my charger is in at the moment, or my controller is. There you go. Oh, it's already fully charged. No, it's not. Right, red light means charging. Green light means charged. This is a solid bit of kit, this. Right. Fast charge. This thing also has fast charge. HTC Vive official charger needs 5 hours. And now the magnetic charging dock just needs 3 hours for full charge. Ooh. Basically, that is so much easier. When I'm trying to charge up my controllers, I have to go into a different room to charge them up, drag 2 plugs, like the 2 chargers and the 2 controllers with me. That is going to be sat on the wall with my headset underneath it. That is amazeballs. When my kids have finished on my VR headset, they put it on the floor. I trip over the cables, they trip over the cables. So, yeah, this is a bit of a game changer for me. Also, another thing they've said on the website is, even if you don't actually buy the gear, give them feedback anyway of what equipment you would like to see for VR equipment. If there's a hole in the market, then they would like to see that. Even if you don't have to buy one of these right now, we'd love to hear from you. The VR community is still growing and we're still learning how people are using this amazing new medium and pain points they have that we could help them solve. Reach out and let's chat about VR. They are so responsive in this stuff. That is amazing. I could stick that to my bench if I didn't want to hang my thing up. if I didn't want to hang my headset up, or I could stick it to the fridge. My fridge is next to my computer because it's got drinks in it. Yeah, I can screw it to the wall if I want to screw it to the wall. That is pretty amazing. I'm well happy with that. And that is one plug. One of the biggest pains that you hear about the HTC Vive is the amount of plug sockets you need. Well, you've just halved your charging facility there, just with that piece of equipment alone. From 5 hours to 3 hours is a big jump as well. 2 extra hours on save. Well, they won't ever run out of charge anyway, because you just pop them back in there when you're not using them. That's sweet. That is storage and charging in one niche, as it were. Now, I want to give this a bash. Right, these are extra. They've actually sent me these as extras. I didn't know I was getting this. It's very stretchy. Ease of fitting, easy, 10 out of 10. Can I still reach all the buttons? Yeah, defo, easy. That feels really nice. That is much more, well, for want of a better word, grippy. That's a fantastic bit of kit as well. Right, I've just been on the website again. They are 2 pieces of premium silicone protective cover for the HTC Vive. Easy to snap on off installation. I think you've just seen that. Yeah, wicked. Features buffering, shockproof, anti-scratching, shatterproof and anti-slip. Definitely. I have actually thrown these across the room before by accident. So that is going to save me some pain. I've just figured out what those bits are for. So simple, but right, I'll be back in a minute. I'm going to do some research. I know exactly what these are for now, and this is immense. It's so simple. Right, these unscrew. Now these are quite bouncy for a reason. They're not flimsy though. That's not going to snap. They've got a lot of bend in them. Now what these do, that pops in there like so. That goes in there. In fact, I'll put that bit in first. This is a game changer. Right, how easy was that to set up? There's no weight on that. There's no extra weight whatsoever. I cannot feel the difference. It says it can interfere with the sensor, so adjust it slightly, which it does, as you can see. They can tighten up nice and tight. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if the camera will show it. Even with room scaling, I have got a bit overexcited at times and given my controller a right good clump. And the room scaling is really good on VR. You just, on the HTC Vive, you just get a bit overexcited sometimes. I've even hit the roof. I can't hit the controller now. The body's covered, the head's covered. That is insane. That's really like a good bit of giving that as well. That ain't going to break. That's just going to bend. That's awesome. That is absolutely fantastic. Now, what else did we get in the... Oh, this is so... Oh, it's like Christmas, I tell you. What else did we get? We've got a spare one of these. That is epic because I will lose one of them. I can't believe how easily that snaps into place as well. Ah, it's fantastic. What have we got here? I don't even know what that's for. Why have you sent me this? It's a USB cable with nothing on the end. Look. I don't know. It's free, so I'm very happy. Thank you very much for my dead USB cable. Adjust the whole of the frame to avoid signal interference, which is easy. You literally just wiggle it about a bit. Shockproof, anti-scratch, shatterproof and anti-slip. Now, this, I've gone a bit overboard with this as an unboxing video, to be quite honest. Yeah, I've gone into quite a bit of setup as well, as it happens. Now there is some serious kit on this website. I am going to do a setup on this, I think, and I'm also going to do a review video after that as well. Yeah, because this is some serious stuff. They've got a lot more gear on here. They've got like the overhead cable attachment, so you can fit the cables to your roof so they don't interfere. They've even got the hands-free kits, so there's like the wireless kits for the Vive. I'd love to do more of this stuff. This is insane. Yeah, like I said, I've gone a bit over detail on the unboxing here. I was just supposed to unbox this and be excited, but they've sent me loads of extra stuff as well. That in itself is an amazing bit of kit. That is a game changer. Hang on, let's see if it stands up with all this malarkey in it, because that's quite heavy. Yeah, easy. That's a good bit of kit, that, isn't it? Right, I'm going to have to get the other one and build it and see if they both stand up together. There. One. Again, look, you can see where I've dinked this a few times. We're done. We're on. Oh, I need to fit the little bit in the bottom. Let's get it on. That way. I ain't called sausage fingers for nothing, you know. Let's try and get that in. There we're in. And we're charging. Sweet! Right, so yeah, I'm on a sponge base here as well, so it's not very solid. If you gave that a knock, I think it would tip over, but this is why we've got the sticky bits, if you were going to have it like that. I am definitely going to wall mount this. I have grabbed the HTC Vive. There, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick this up briefly. There we go, and I think that is the idea. So, all together, we have got everything in one bit of kit there. We've got it all off the floor. Which I must admit is where my Vive lives most of the time. That looks good. Right, I'll highlight some of the bullet points that they put on this. Hanging on the wall for convenient storage, along with a convenient foldable hanger for your Vive helmet, and also works well on the desktop. Fast charge your controllers automatically when they're placed in holster. Transform the way you charge your Vive controllers. Prevents dust and water entry, and easy plug and detach. Very, very true. Last point, it looks cool, so your friends will be impressed. It does look very cool. I would happily have that pride of place hanging on my wall. In fact, I am going to do so in another video. Now, Bestorks Technology, www.bestorks.com. I cannot thank you enough for sending me this piece of kit. That is amazing, and that is, I already know, is going to become a valuable piece of equipment for me. It's going to have pride of place on one of my walls next to my PC. Now, I am going to be doing a lot more tutorials and reviews on PC related equipment, some of it not even PC related. So even if you're not into PCs, if you like this kind of stuff, then I would recommend visiting that website. They've got like pet accessories, everything going on there. Yeah, this is really, really a good place to look. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Look forward to the next one, which will be a setup, and the one after that, which will be a review once I've used it for a fair while. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to give me a like and a subscribe. And don't forget to press that little bell button so you get notified when my next videos are up. I'll see you very soon. Laters.